today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to trace an image using Canva, a simple yet powerful trick to make your design stand out with clean outlines and a professional touch. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips every week. Start by opening Canva and loading your project. If you haven't uploaded the image you want to trace, click Uploads on the left panel and bring it in. Once the image is on your canvas, click on it to highlight and unlock editing options. Now, head to the Edit Image button at the top. In the editing tools, scroll until you find Tracer. This is the feature that outlines your image automatically. Click Trace Image and Canva will begin creating clean edges and borders around your subject. You'll see a threshold slider appear. This controls how bold or subtle the trace effect looks. Slide it right for thicker lines or left for finer outlines until it matches your design style. To make your traced image pop even more, use the highlight or glow options to emphasize certain parts. This adds contrast and gives your traced image a polished professional finish. And that's it. You've just traced an image in Canva using built-in tools. Quick, easy and perfect for creating outlines, digital art or stylized graphics. If it has helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more short Canva tutorials and design hacks.